Good afternoon, Raiders. It's Friday, February 2nd, 2024. I'm Nate.
I'm Carter, and we are here with your announcements for today.
Attention, juniors and seniors. Did you know Ohio law allows 17-year-olds who will be 18 years of age on or before the date of Ohio's general election to vote in the primary elections ahead of the general election in November? This year, Election Day is on Tuesday, November 5th, 2024. So if you are 18 on or before that date, you can register to vote for your election in 2024.
Ohio's primary election on Tuesday, March 19th, and the Women of Delta Sigma Theta sorority will be at Harding to register student voters on Friday, February 2nd, during all 4 lunch periods. In order to register, you need to have your driver's license or your social security number. This year is a presidential election year, so participating in your civic duty to vote could help determine the next president of the United States. Let's get registered and go vote, Raiders.
The next YSU English Festival meeting will be on February 9th in the library right after school. Those of you who will submit work for any of the contests, submissions are due into YSU's postmarked February 23rd. We will discuss the submission process at the next meeting. Please continue to read the required books and be prepared to discuss. Any questions, please contact Mr. Sutton or Ms. Pardee. See you then.
WGH Class of 2024 senior apparel forms are now in. This year's options are 2K Madden theme, Bratz theme, and class song album cover theme. They all come in short sleeve, long sleeve, and crew necks. You may order them all or what design you like best. All order forms are in the main office to be picked up. If you are purchasing any apparel, please pay with cash or a money order in a sealed envelope and turn in to the main office to Miss Lee or the athletic office to Miss Dawn. All orders are due by February 23rd.
The National Honor Society will be hosting a blood drive here in the small gym on Tuesday, February 6th, periods 2nd through 7th. All students are welcome to donate if 16 or older. Please see an NHS member if interested and help save lives. Teachers can also donate if you email Christy Thornton or Joan Elliott what period works for you, and we can see if we can get it covered. NHS members will also be handing out flyers so they can compete for who gets the most donations. Please turn all flyers back into the folder outside Miss Thornton's or Elliott's room or in the library by today, February 2nd.
February is upon us, and WGH Student Council is asking for your help. On the first Friday in February, which is designated as American Heart Month, the nation comes together, igniting a wave of red from coast to coast. Help promote American Heart Month throughout February and wear National Wear Red Day today, February 2nd, to bring greater attention to the heart disease.
It's February. Let's set our sights on success.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace.
Hello, Warren G. Harding. This is Miss Rohr here with an announcement. Starting February 5th, the week after next, the Drama Club will be selling valograms to be delivered on the 14th during first period. We'll be selling our little sweets during lunches the whole week of the 5th, or you can come see me personally during 4th or 8th periods if you have a pass. Only if you have a pass. We'll be selling our little valograms for $1 each. You'll need to know who you want to send it to and their first period room number, but you can make it anonymous if you want to. You need a room number to send one. Have a great week.
Hello, Warren G. Harding. This is Coach Penny coming at you with some outdoor track news. Outdoor track signups will start Tuesday, February 20th. That's a Tuesday after President's Day. And to be eligible for outdoor track, you need to make sure you pass 5 credits for quarter three. Now, even though you are in winter sports right now currently, that's okay. You can still sign up for outdoor track because that is a spring sport. Now, whenever your winter season ends, you can just join right in with our outdoor track team. We are having great success, as you will be hearing on the sports section, with our indoor track program. So we're looking to continue that success with the outdoor track program with your help. So hopefully, I have a lot of signups for you guys. So remember, Tuesday, February 20th, we'll start signups. And as always, go Raiders!
What's going on, Raiders? It's Chris. And it's Sebastian, and we're here with your sports.
Today we got a JV basketball and varsity game with JV at 5:30 and varsity at 7.
On Saturday, we have the girls playing JV and varsity basketball, with JV starting at 1 and varsity at 2:30.
Today our bowling team plays Fitch at home at 4 o'clock. And today the boys basketball team play Canfield tonight at 7, and probably one of the more important games of this season.
Internationally in soccer, the African Cup of Nations and the Asian Cup quarterfinals are taking place today.
In AFCON, Nigeria play Angola at 12, and DR Congo play Guinea at 3. In the Asian Cup, Tajikistan play at 6:30 a.m., and Australia play South Korea at 10:30.
That is all we have for your sports for today and over the weekend. Have a good day, Raiders.
Wouldn't it be nice if we were older, then we wouldn't have to wait so.
Hey Raiders, I'm Jilly.
I'm Jay.
I'm here for your birthdays for today.
Starting off for Friday, happy birthday to Faith Coat.
Saturday, we have Jacob Blight, Jaden Culliver, and Damian Tellis.
For Sunday, we have Jacob Gilbert, Elizabeth Kopp, and Lilith Huser.
Happy birthday, Raiders.
What's going on? What's going on, Raiders?
What's going on?
It's your boy Nemo.
And it's Chris.
Yeah, we're here with this day in history. On this day in history in 1856, the Mexican War finally ended.
Woo! Also on this day, Arthur St. Clair was elected 9th president under the Articles of Confederation.
Really?
Yeah, never heard of that
Oh,
president.
yeah, so never ever. All right, the more you know. That's it for this day in history, Raiders.
Have a nice one.
Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. The other day I would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I know you say that I'm assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you're acting strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. 'Cause I know how you usually do. When you're saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's dead, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Say baby I love you. Ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why you sudden change? Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game. Say my name, say my name.
Maybe if we think and wish and hope and pray it might come true.